Careful, it's hot. Dennis here checked them thoroughly himself.
That's right. Completely untraceable. No serial numbers, no registrations, no trouble.
Sheriff's Department, don't move!
Oh, shit.
We gotta find cover.
Yeah, good luck with that shirt.
Stop fucking around.
Oh, fuck!
You hit?
Fine, let's go!
Come on! We're almost there. Stay with me! It's right there!
Oh, you got me good, man. I'm done. Oh.
The hell you are! Get up!
Jerry, listen to me. Time's up for me, man. Just go. Let's go. Go! Put it down! Put it down now!
Eat shit. You know, Heather, if you would just talk to people instead of yelling, you'd probably get more from them. I mean, if you just took the time and effort, you might be surprised. A little communication can go a long ways.